Nakakatakot bang mag-invest sa stock market? Nako, pa-Halloween special na ito. Charot. I felt the same way before, pero ito yung truth, na hindi mo kailangang maging expert para magsimula. Simple lang, ito yung steps para makapagsimula sa stock investing journey mo. Set a financial goal. Bakit ka nga ba nag-i-invest? Is it for retirement? Is it for early retirement? Is it to fund for a future business venture that you want to do? Or you want to do trading? Dapat may malinaw na dahilan para mas lalong maging focused ka. Kapag may goals na kasi, mabilis nang i-prioritize kung saan mo ilalagay yung investment mo at anong strategy yung kailangan mong gawin. Next, kapag medyo malinaw na sa'yo, pwede ka na din mag-open ng account sa stockbroker. Maraming list of stockbrokers that you can choose from. Nasa website yan ng Philippine Stock Exchange. At ang pinakamaganda, you can start small. Hindi mo kailangan mag-invest ng malaki kaagad. Kahit konti lang muna, halimbawa, meron kang isang stock na gustong bilhin, pwede kang doon magsimula and over time, lumalaki na din siya as you consistently invest.